So I'm just getting out to a service call for no heat. Started off by just checking in and talking with the customer. They have two systems here, one in the front of the store and one in the back. I just want to kind of see which area it was. Sounds like it was the front of the store, so I got these two units. That's the back one. Here's the front one. I came up to the unit and it wasn't doing anything. Fans not running, just nothing's going on. We just took over this account. But yeah, so nothing was working, and get everything opened up, and I don't have any fault codes. LEDs aren't blinking. It honestly just seemed like it was a dead unit, which was kind of weird. So I did have my economizer lit up over here. So I knew I had power. So the next kind of troubleshooting thing I did is I kind of just checked, made sure my transformer had power coming in. On this side, power was good. Made sure it was coming out. I had 24 volts here. And then I kind of started seeing some other wiring right here, and I knew something else might be going on. Typically when I see stuff like that, I know there's some extra kind of accessory or control. Not everyone has them, but this particular one does have a smoke detector. So I came around and opened up this guy. There was this piece of sheet metal over it. Took off the cover. It was lit up green. Typically when these are tripped, they'll be lit up red here in the alarm state. So I pretty quickly knew I had power coming in. So I decided to go back over there and just to check to make sure I had good power coming back out, like everything here was wired and all that correctly. So went back over here, I got my voltmeter out, and I just kind of had one lead on common, just checked I had power coming in and out. This is going to the in and the out on the smoke detector. And then next I just kind of following my path of my wire. You can see my wire here. Originally these two wires were connected, and I'm guessing when that smoke detector got put in, they just cut the wire to kind of break the circuit and everything so they can control it. And then the next, I had power going into my board up here. I was able to detect this little metal prong right here just to common, and I have power. So I have power going into my board, but unfortunately this main control board is not sending any information out anywhere. So with that being said, I was just kind of curious if maybe I could try resetting it just to see if I could reset anything and it might kick on. So I turned the disconnect off, waited for a little while everything de-energized, and then I re-energized everything. And then I'm still checking my common to my 24 volt R here, and still 0 volts. So the power coming in somewhere here, it's breaking the connection inside my board and not giving myself power to anything down below. This is a little bit newer system than I'm used to working on for Carrier. I've worked on tons and tons and tons of their old ones. This one has the new higher end blower motor, which I don't have that panel open right now, and I can clearly, you can kind of see for anyone who knows these are a little bit different. We do a lot of training in York, and I mean, I work on every brand, and like I said, I've worked on everything, just haven't seen this one a ton. But from what I'm seeing right now, it's looking like it's a bad control board. And then once I put that in, I can kind of further test, because like I said, right now I'm getting nothing coming off of my my terminals here to test anything. So once I get the board going, I can kind of further test. I'm guessing that's all that's wrong. Don't know quite why that's tripped. I mean, I do see a big old moth actually back here, and I have had multiple bugs get behind and arc on boards over the years, so possibly that moth arced something out behind there. But I'm gonna start with a board and go from there. So I'll go ahead and get approval from these guys to get a board ordered up and get them hopefully taken care of here. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. If you've worked on this particular Carrier model, feel free to give any info down in the comment section, just for other people to read. But yeah, thanks again for watching.